everyone, Sheree here. Today I'm going to be creating a pocket page spread using the Denise Kit from Felicity Jane. So I've got my photos printed out. This spread is just all about things around home on this particular day, what everyone was doing. And I've got the journaling cards here from the Denise Kit. So I know that I want to use these three in particular, but I will choose another one to go along with those. I've got my journaling printed out, so that's cut a little bit smaller so that it can go onto one of these journaling cards. I've just trimmed that down after printing it out. You can see there. I've got the Denise puffy stickers here. I really want to use this enjoy word, so I've already pulled that one off. I've got the Denise puffy alphabet. Absolutely love this colour. I do have some other things from previous kits as well, like the Megan puffy stickers. I've got some of the die cuts and things from the Denise Kit. I have pulled out a couple of things from previous kits as well, like these two little pieces here, a little heart and a disc, a little chipboard disc. It's got the word happy there. So they're all there ready to use as well. I do have a mini wide paper clip here ready to go. So I think I'm ready to get started. So I'll pop you on fast forward and show you what I've got planned. Alright, so to begin with, I'm just selecting my journaling cards and working out where to put each one. And I did like that mustard yellow checked card from the Denise Kit, but I thought it was a little bit too busy, so I swapped it out for a yellow card from the Megan Kit. So shuffling things around there. So I'm quite happy with that selection. So now I'm going to go ahead and start adding things to each of these cards and photos. So starting off with this first photo, I do apologise, it's a little bit off screen, but I will move it up very shortly. I've just got one of the labels from the Denise Kit and I've cut it roughly in half and I've just adhered that to the bottom left of the photo. I've also got the die cut word that says funny, which I'm now sticking onto that label. And then I've got the letter R from the puffy alphabet set from the Denise Kit, and that's Riley's initials, so that's gone on there. So for this other photo, I've got an A on a little tag from my stash, and I've just added a little star puffy sticker to that, and I'm attaching that to the photo with a gold mini wide paper clip in the top left corner there. So that one's done. So moving on to this yellow card, I've got a heart die cut from the Brie kit. I'm just adhering that to the very center of the circle, like so. And then I've got a little floral die cut from the Denise Kit that I'm just going to layer on top of that. And I decided to use some thin foam dots behind that as well, just for a little bit of dimension there. So sticking that one on. Next I've got my journaling, so I'm just going to adhere that into the center of the diagonal blue striped card, and I will add some stitching to that a little bit later. So this pink journaling card, I've got a little tag from the die cut pack in the Denise Kit, and I've just added a bit of twine to the top of that, and now I'm just going to adhere it down onto the middle of that pink journaling card. And then I'm going to layer some other bits and pieces onto it. So I'll start off with that really pretty floral, and then I've got the Enjoy puffy sticker from the puffy sticker pack. So I'm just going to adhere that flower on for now, and then I'm going to grab my sewing machine and I'm going to add stitching to quite a few of these cards and photos. So there you go, I've added stitching to that first card. I've also added it to the bottom of that little tag, also onto that funny word, to the center of that heart, and also around the edge of my journaling, and then in the top left and across the bottom of that tag. Alright, so now I can continue on adding some layers to this tag. So I've got a little yellow label that's going on there, and then I've got the Enjoy puffy word. I use the label just to add a little bit of yellow to this tag. Alright, and then I've got the Today puffy sticker, which is just going to finish this one off. So that one is now done. So I've just got a couple more photos to add things to, and that last journaling card to do as well. So I've just got the letter P for Paul, which is going on to the bottom right of this photo, and then I've added in a little heart die cut as well. And on this photo of Maddie, I've got the letter M, and I've also got a little puffy heart sticker from last month's kit as well to go on there. So to finish off my journaling, I've got one of these chipboard flares from the Brie kit, And I'm just adding that to the very top there, just a little bit of double-sided tape on the back of that, and just centering it at the top. So now all I need to do is add the date, which I'll do to the very first card there, and I'll use my Felicity Jane roller date stamp for that, and then this spread is done. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing how I've put this together today. I'll leave you with some close-up photos at the end so you can see all the details. Let me know if you've got any questions, just pop it down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And as always, I'll leave a link to Felicity Jane down below. So thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.